everybody. Wanted to add another episode in the Cheap Skid Steer series. Don't know if this is going to be the official final video, but it's pretty close to being done. We've been using it. There's a few little maintenance things we need to do here and there, and you'll probably see a handful of videos about those. And like I said, we've been using it. It looks pretty good. I'll show you the cost over here. Bought it for $300. Engine that's in it now costs $200. Carburetor was $50, and a bunch of other stuff for $200, so about $750 in it. Sold the engine that was in it for $400, so it made a little bit of our money back. Here's the engine and everything installed. We did use a Honda radiator in it for a brief period of time, but it kept overheating. It wasn't big enough, even though it was a 2-quart aluminum radiator. Put the original radiator back into it. The motor's on it, air filter's on it, the Holly carburetor with our patented wood block spacer plate. Particulate filter for all the junk that was in the system. Alternator and everything works. Our custom exhaust header. It has plenty of power with the motor that has in it, and we've been using it. It works pretty good. I just didn't want to leave everybody at a cliffhanger. So, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.